Hey winners, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to make our day productive. You wanna be the best self you've ever been. So I'm not gonna bore you with work hard, be dedicated, do this and do that type of shit. No, I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna head straight to the point. So let's dive into it.
Yeah, still James in this small form, man. Your boy.
If you're new to this channel, I'm James Indo, aka Wititawa, your brother indeed. I mean, you being here gives me bliss, alright? So I'm glad to share this content with you. So, first thing you gotta do to make your day productive is to wake up early. I know you're probably saying, no, I can't wake up early, I need to sleep for some extra time. But if you really want your day to be productive, you gotta wake up early. Remember, when you wake up late, you gotta be rushing, you wanna bath, you wanna organize yourself, you wanna clean up your room, everything is a mess when you are late, when you're rushing, all right? So you'll never get it right when you're rushing. So you gotta wake up 2 hours earlier than you usually do, all right? That time you can use it to stretch a bit. Just give yourself that mood, that energy, get yourself into that zone, all right? So, like, you can open up some windows, like, get fresh air. Get into that mood, all right? I mean, then you can brush your teeth or wash your face, whatever you gotta do to make sure that you're fully awake, and then start planning your day. Draft it down or type it down in your pad or anything that you keep your record, your diaries or your journals. Just write everything down, draft everything down, what you gotta start with, all right? And I'd advise that you start with some exercises. It doesn't need to be like professional exercises. You can stretch yourself. Like station running a bit. Like, make sure that you are active in the morning, all right? And for this to happen, you gotta do this every day. Get yourself like used to waking up early in the morning so you can make yourself useful. You can be the best self you can ever be. I mean, being productive or progressing in life, or maybe success that many of us looking for, like many of us want success, it got to do with habits. What you do is what you put in is what you're gonna actually get out, right? If you always waking up late, I'm sure you get to work late, or maybe you get to class late, or prove me wrong if I'm wrong. Just tell me that I'm wrong. Type in the comments below and tell me that, James, you are wrong. If you wake up late, do everything rushing, you might even not catch a cab in time, all right? And you get to work late, or you get to class late, or whatever you plan to do in the morning, you do it late. So we don't want to be doing that. We've been doing that for the rest of our life. From after this video, we're gonna do everything right. You promise? Okay, good. Let's carry on. You don't want someone waking you up, because this is for you. We're doing this for ourselves, not for others, okay? Unless you want to do this for your family, or for your wife or your spouse or your partner or your children. We're doing this for ourselves. Like, first we're doing it for ourselves. So you don't want anybody waking you up, okay? Come on, man. Pardon me for the wrong spelling. Come on. Damn, that's gross. I didn't mean that. Pardon me. Okay, the right spelling is come on, okay? So we're doing this for ourselves. So now that you woke up early, you are in the zone. You've stretched a bit. You've drafted down whatever you're gonna be doing. It's got to be in order. If you gotta be calling your clients, or calling the office, or anybody, like, draft that first, that you gotta do it first, okay? I mean, you can even set an alarm or a reminder in your phone, like you always set the birthdays reminders. You can set up your day like that. Set the day and set reminders that you gotta be doing this first, okay? And then after you've done that, I mean, if you want to achieve anything, I mean, you gotta be planning everything out, okay? If you're just living for the sake of living, just running up and down like a chicken without a head, I mean, you won't get anywhere. I mean, you just beat around the bush and end up where you've been. I mean, you run in circles, okay? And when you wake up, you're in the same place. Okay, years will go by and you still be stuck in the same place. So we don't want to be stagnant. We want to be moving. Okay, we want to be achieving our goals, achieving our dreams. I mean, reaching that success. Okay, you gotta start now. Okay, so if you want that, specifically that topic of achieving goals, like, check in the description below. I've put like the link for the video that I've made about achieving anything. Okay, you need to check that, and I'm sure your day will be productive. Okay, without wasting your time, let me get into the second thing. Like, after you woke up early, you've drafted everything down that you need to do. I mean, you need to take action. Okay, step by step. You don't need to force yourself. Give yourself at least one task to complete a day. I mean, you've just started today. You give yourself at least one task to complete. I mean, if you complete that task and then tomorrow set two tasks that you need to complete, I mean, that goes every day. Like, it's your habit. It's changing. You'll start to see the changes in your life. Okay, your life will start to be progress pro damn, what's that thing? Your life will be progressive. Okay, I talk too much, I end up forgetting what I want to say and all that, so you need to pardon me, bear with me, because I've got a lot to unpack and give you the best. Okay, so after you've done that, like, take action every day. Don't procrastinate. Don't say things like, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'll do it next time I think about it. I mean, if you think about something, like, do it now. Okay, I mean, there's a saying that says, if you want to do anything and achieve it, do it at the early mornings. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to wake up and do it in the early morning. It means that when the thought is still fresh in your mind, just do it. Don't wait for next time. Okay, I mean, most of us listen to motivational speakers, and then when we are hyped up, like when we're supposed to take action, we don't do it. We actually saying that we're gonna do it tomorrow or the next day or the next year or the next week. I mean, procrastination is a thief of time. Okay, so to be productive, you have to do anything after you've thought about it. Okay, if you think about um calling someone, just call them at that moment. Okay, if you think of buying something, just do it now. Okay, and if you think of let's say you have homeworks, for those who go to school, you have homeworks and you just thought that, oh, I have just do it now, because if you don't do it, you're gonna do it the next time, and then maybe you're not gonna submit the homework and it's gonna be a lot problem for you. Okay, if you got tasks to do, the assignments to do, or at your workplace they given you the task to do, I mean, do it now. That way you will impress your supervisor or your manager or your boss or whoever that you need to impress. You will impress them because they know that you are very punctual. Every time they give you a task, I mean, you do it at the same time. Okay, you don't wait for tomorrow, or you don't wait for the next time, or you don't wait for last minutes. Okay, most of us like want to do things at the last minute and they don't work because we don't have enough research, we don't have enough information or knowledge to complete those. You understand? So the moment you think about what you need to do, I mean, just do it now. Okay, the right time is now. It's not next time or tomorrow. The right time is now at your consciousness. All right, so you gotta do that. You need to take action. Remember, the first thing, you need to wake up early and then draft down everything that you need to do. After drafting down everything you need to do, you have to take action. Okay, so that's that. The last thing you gotta do is to reward yourself. Okay? I mean, after completing every task, you got to reward yourself. You'll choose how you wanna reward yourself and make it such that you like the reward so that it will push you to actually do the next task tomorrow so that you know that you're gonna reward yourself. Okay? I mean, we always do things for people and then at the end of the task they reward us and we get happy. How about now that you want to do things for yourself, you reward yourself? Trust me, that's gonna make you, it's gonna push you to want to do most of those tasks because you know that you're gonna get the reward at the end of that. Okay, so you're not gonna procrastinate or you're not gonna hold back because you know that if you hold back you're not gonna get the rewards. Okay, so reward yourself every after every, damn, why do I keep forgetting everything I need to say? Okay, reward yourself at the end of every task. Okay, that way it will push you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope I gave you more. I hope I've benefited you with my information. I mean, the aim of this video was to enlighten you, to open your eyes on how you can make your day productive. I hope maybe I've hit a point or I've made a point in a certain way so that you can have productive days in your life. I mean, I want you to be your best self. That's what this channel is all about. Okay? So if you're interested in this content, I mean, even if you haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that it notifies you every time I upload content. Okay, so that I can give you such content so that you can better yourself. Okay, so we're in that journey together. So victory to you.